Hi everybody, Andrea with Camille's Crown Closet. Unfortunately, still battling the allergies in Michigan. I think it's been nonstop since January. It is now July. Hopefully nobody else is having this issue. If you do, I feel bad for you. So bear with my voice, but I wanted to pop on today and do an unboxing of one of the new styles from Rene of Paris, the Alexander Couture collection. Today we're unboxing Franky and Billionaire Blonde. On my head, I'm wearing another style from the Alexander Couture collection. This is Roxy in Billionaire Blonde. It's one of my favorite colors. You can see it's a really cool multi-dimensional blonde with some face framing highlights here. Really pretty color. But today we're talking about Franky, so stay tuned for the unboxing. Too bad there's not like a class on how to get these things out of the net, I'm telling you. And how to deal with the silicone or silica packets here. So here is Franky. She's really pretty. She's got some loose kind of tousled beachy waves. She's got a little bit of a bang here. I typically don't wear a lot of styles with bangs unless I can sweep them to the side, which is kind of funny because when I had decent bio hair, I guess you could, was never really decent, but okay bio hair, I used to actually wear bangs all the time, and now I don't, now that I have to wear wigs. But she's really cute. She has the same cap as what you'll find on the other Alexander Couture collection wigs. It's open wefted. See the open wefting, has the extended velvet nape with the Velcro adjusters in the back, has the velvet ear tabs with the metal stays, the extended lace front, and then she has a wide mono center parting area. So it's really like almost, you know, a partial mono top. Gives you a lot of parting flexibility. So as always, we'll go ahead and pop her on right out of the box so you can see what she looks like right out of the box, and then I'll you know, get her ready, get her looking better, and let you know what I did. Be right back. So here's Franky right out of the box. These bangs are kind of crazy. I have seen a couple of other unboxing videos where people have had the same experience. They're pretty long, so you could either point cut these if you want to wear a straight across bang, or sweep them to the side. I'll definitely do a little bit of work with her just to get these bangs kind of out of my face and where I want them to be. But she's really cute. I mean, right out of the box, this isn't bad except for the bangs. And that's just because of the length. But actually, the lace front is not too bad on Franky. You know, these are wigs at a pretty low price point. I mean, you're closer to the $100 mark than you are $200. Typically you're looking at under 150 for a style like this. So you do have, if you're used to like Belle Tress and John Reno and Tress Allure, the lace front, it's good. Just you can see that the knots are a little bit darker and a little bit larger on the Alexander Couture collections, but again, I mean, you're at a price point literally closer to $100 for these luxury wigs. The fibers are really soft. These are heat-friendly fibers. I found that these do respond really well to heat. And I think that the Alexander Couture fibers hold up really well to wear too. I don't have to put heat on these quite as often as I do other brands. So you cannot beat these luxury style wigs in these beautiful colors at this price point. It's actually almost unheard of, I think. So we'll go ahead and get these bangs and these fibers out of my eyeballs. And I'll come back and show you what she looks like and tell you exactly what I did. And we're back. She is super cute. The only thing that I did was I broke up the zigzag part. Franky and Sloan do come with a zigzag part from the manufacturer, but SMA does not. So I broke up the part, I moved it just slightly left, and I did sweep the bangs to the side. I think she's super cute. I'm definitely keeping this one for myself. You cannot beat this wig. Again, it's just over $100. The Rene Paris Alexander Couture fibers are really soft. I find that they wear very well. In fact, compared to most other manufacturers, premium manufacturers, I have to do less maintenance to the Rene of Paris Alexander Couture fibers. Let you take a look at the part here. Again, one thing that you will notice, the only downfall, but again, looking at this price point, it's well worth it, is typically the knotting is a little darker, a little bit larger. It's a little bit more visible in the part line. Most people aren't going to be right up in your part. Well, maybe for me because I'm pretty short, but most people aren't going to be that close, so it's not going to be noticeable. And actually the lace front on this is really good, especially compared to my Roxy. When I got Roxy, I actually had to trim the lace because it was so visible and the color was a little off, but this is really nicely done. Love this style. Again, all I did was break up the part, move the bangs, I clipped them back, put a little bit of water on, hit them with the blow dryer. They respond really well. I used a wide tooth comb to comb through the curls a little bit. I do like this look. The cap fits me a little bit large. I'm on the smaller side of average and I have quite a bit of room here. I actually need to pull the adjusters in a little bit too. But if you are on the larger side of average or even the smaller side of large, I think this cap would fit you really well. And this is such a cute style. I am just blown away at how cute Franky is. Now I can see why this is, I think, the wig out of the 3 new styles from Alexander Couture. This is the wig that's flying off the shelf. So if you want one, get one. I have them in hot buys right now as of the date of this video. I think I have 6 in each style. And it looks like with Rene of Paris, they are completely out of stock already. So again, really, really cute. I love this color, Billionaire Blonde. Fits a little bit larger than average. I do feel just a little bit of permatease, I think, in this cap. Yeah, just a little bit of permatease throughout, but that helps to hold the style. I would consider this probably light density, but kind of towards that medium density spectrum. So a little bit more hair, a little bit thicker than what you might find with most belle tress, but still very realistic. Does not feel heavy on my head at all. And Franky is a style that I think you can wear casual. As you can see, I'm wearing a t-shirt, Jelly Roll t-shirt. But I think with the, excuse me, with the curl pattern, you could really dress this up too. You do have, in addition to the bangs, which I've swept to the side, they're hitting about right here on me currently. You do have a little bit of layering, not much though, but you could still put this in a half up, half down, or in an updo. Just because of the wave pattern, I think it would make it look really elegant. So again, Franky from Rene of Paris in the Alexander Couture collection in Billionaire Blonde. Beautiful style. I'm keeping this one for myself. As always, thank you for watching. Thank you for bearing with my allergies these past 6 months. And if you have any questions, if there's anything that you'd like to see or anything that you would like us to stock in hot buys, which is our section where we have stock on hand at discounted prices, just send us an email, send us a message, and let me know. Thank you so much.